Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. The exact timeline for when and how sexual reproduction evolved is a subject of ongoing scientific research and debate, and it's difficult to pinpoint specific dates or events. However, it's clear that sexual reproduction and the associated mechanisms and behaviors evolved gradually over a very long period. The act of sexual reproduction is a fundamental aspect of the biology of many species, including humans. It's important to note that humans, like other animals, didn't learn to have sex in the way we might learn a skill or acquire knowledge. Instead, sexual reproduction is a natural biological process that evolved over millions of years. The evolution of sexual reproduction, including the development of male and female reproductive organs and behaviors associated with mating, occurred long before the emergence of Homo sapiens, modern humans. It's a complex biological process that predates our species by many millions of years. For early human ancestors, as for many animals, sexual reproduction would have been a natural and instinctive behavior. Over time, social and cultural aspects became intertwined with human sexuality, leading to the development of various norms, values, and practices related to sex and reproduction. It's also worth noting that the development of language and culture allowed humans to transmit knowledge and understanding of reproduction, leading to the development of various cultural and religious beliefs and practices related to sex and reproduction. These cultural aspects of human sexuality are influenced by social, moral, and ethical considerations and can vary widely across different societies and time periods. In summary, the act of sexual reproduction is a natural biological process that has evolved over a very long time, and it predates the emergence of modern humans. The cultural and societal aspects of human sexuality have developed over time, shaped by the unique characteristics and history of our species. The exact origins of human sexual behavior are unknown, but it is believed to have evolved over millions of years through a process of natural selection. Our closest living relatives, chimpanzees and bonobos, engage in a wide variety of sexual behaviors, including both heterosexual and homosexual activity. It is likely that our early ancestors also engaged in a similar range of behaviors. As humans evolved, so too did our sexual behavior. The development of language and culture allowed for the transmission of sexual knowledge and practices from one generation to the next. This led to the development of a wide variety of sexual norms and taboos. In some cultures, sex was seen as a purely recreational activity, while in others it was seen as a sacred act. In some cultures, there were strict rules about who could have sex with whom, while in others there were few restrictions. Over time, human sexual behavior has continued to evolve. Today, there is a greater acceptance of diversity in sexual orientation and behavior. However, there are still many cultures that have strict sexual norms. The learning of sexual behavior is a complex process that begins at a young age. Children learn about sex through observation, imitation, and instruction. They may also learn about sex from books, movies, and the internet. As children grow older, they begin to develop their own sexual identity. This includes their sexual orientation, their gender identity, and their sexual values. The development of sexual identity is a lifelong process that is influenced by a variety of factors, including biology, psychology, and culture.